So this is the unit. Studio, 9th floor, Avida Towers, Vireo, Arca South. Approximately 24 square meters, around 4.4 million regular price. And discounted price is around 4 million. So ang view niya is yan, swimming pool, amenity area. And it looks hindi nagamit ng previous owner. Intact pa yung aircon provision niya. Good as brand new. Available in cash or at least 10 to 20% down payment, 80 to 90% balance, bank financing, plus taxes and fees. Yan yung mga grease trap niya. Malinis pa rin. Cabinets. And marami siyang saksakan. Current market value nito pag bumili kayo sa developer nasa 6 million and up na. Okay. Ito pwede nyo makuha at 4 million. Bathroom niya very spacious. Prime location within Arca South. Magkakaroon po ng subway station dito. Malapit din tayo sa BGC. And sa SLEX PNR station. So if you are interested to make an offer and schedule a property showing, please message us directly. Yung amenities nila. Swimming pool and adult pool. Parks and playground nila. Play zone. Wala silang gym dito. Function room. Andito yung gym nila. Gym. Maliit lang.